Hey friends, are you a traditional farmer or a modern farmer? What's the big difference between running a farm by hand and using cutting-edge technology? Check out Trending Farm's latest farming documentary to discover how robots and AI are revolutionizing livestock farming in the United States. The U.S. livestock industry, valued at over $75 billion annually, once relied on manual labor for feeding, milking, and health monitoring, limiting a farmer to managing around 50 animals efficiently. Before automation, dairy farmers spent up to 60 hours a week on milking alone. But today, robotic systems reduce labor time by 50% while increasing milk yield. With AI-driven monitoring and precision feeding, farms now optimize nutrition, cut waste, and boost productivity. This farming documentary explores how cutting-edge technology is reshaping American livestock farming for a more efficient and sustainable future. For centuries, livestock farming relied on human labor, simple tools, and traditional practices like manual milking and hand feeding, limiting efficiency and production. Industrialization changed everything. By the 1950s, mechanical feeders reduced feeding time by nearly 30%, easing farmers' workload. The 1980s brought automatic milking machines, allowing a single unit to milk up to 70 cows per hour, revolutionizing dairy farms. Since the 2000s, AI-driven health monitoring, robotic milkers, and precision feeding systems have boosted productivity by over 25%, optimizing farm management. While modern technology increases efficiency and sustainability, it also raises concerns about costs and small farm viability. This farming documentary explores the dramatic transformation of livestock farming, contrasting traditional labor-intensive methods with cutting-edge automation shaping the industry's future. Modern dairy farming has been transformed by automated milking systems, which use robotic arms to milk cows with minimal human intervention. These machines allow cows to be milked on demand, reducing stress while increasing milk yield by 10 to 15% compared to traditional methods. By eliminating the need for manual milking, farmers save up to 50% in labor costs and gain real-time data on each cow's health and milk quality. Since installing robotic milkers, my cows are calmer, production has increased, and I spend more time managing the farm instead of milking, says dairy farmer Mark Reynolds. This breakthrough technology is reshaping the industry in farming documentaries, making dairy farming more efficient, sustainable, and profitable than ever before. Smart feeding systems are revolutionizing livestock farming with automated dispensers and AI-driven sensors that provide precise nutrition based on each animal's needs. These systems dynamically adjust feed composition, optimizing growth, milk production, and overall health, while reducing waste by up to 20%. By preventing overfeeding and underfeeding, farmers can save up to 30% on feed costs and ensure healthier livestock. Automated feeders also monitor consumption patterns, detecting early signs of illness. This farming documentary explores how smart feeding technology is transforming farm efficiency, cutting costs, and paving the way for a more sustainable and profitable future. In the farming documentary, automated manure management systems, including robotic manure collectors and waste-to-energy solutions, are revolutionizing farm sanitation and sustainability. These systems remove waste efficiently, keeping barns cleaner, reducing odors, and minimizing disease risks, all while cutting labor demands by up to 60%. Advanced digesters convert manure into biogas and organic fertilizer, turning waste into valuable resources. With automated manure management, we've reduced farm emissions by nearly 40% while improving hygiene and efficiency, says environmental expert Dr. James Carter. By integrating automation, livestock farms can enhance sustainability, lower pollution, and create a cleaner, more productive farming environment for the future. In the next installment of the farming documentary, livestock monitoring and AI technology are transforming herd management with wearable sensors and AI-driven analytics that monitor animal health in real time. These smart devices measure vital signs, activity levels, and feeding behavior, allowing farmers to detect disease early and prevent major losses. Since implementing AI monitoring, we have cut disease-related losses by 25%, says dairy farmer Sarah Mitchell. On a Wisconsin dairy farm, technology isn't just boosting production, it's changing lives. Before automation, we were exhausted, working long hours just to keep up. Now smart feeding and robotic milking have increased our milk production by 25% and cut our labor costs in half, says farm owner Tom Reynolds, his voice filled with relief. With AI-powered monitoring and automated manure management, his cows are healthier and his farm runs smoother than ever. This farming documentary takes you inside real farms, where hard work meets innovation, proving that technology isn't just changing agriculture, it's securing its future. What are your thoughts on the adoption of tech machines in livestock farming? Leave a comment below this farming documentary and discuss it with Trending Farm. Transporting pigs to the plant is a critical first step in the processing chain. With over 120 million pigs shipped annually in the United States, they are carefully selected to standard weights ranging from 220 to 260 pounds. Once they arrive, pre-treatment steps, such as electric stunning, are used to ensure animal welfare and meat quality. This process causes the pigs to lose consciousness to reduce stress, improve muscle relaxation, and improve meat tenderness. Plant owners need to invest in specialized stunning equipment and proper transport conditions, which often require millions of dollars in capital. This investment ensures both humane treatment and higher quality products. As demonstrated in our popular agricultural documentary, which provides an in-depth look at these critical stages. In a modern pig processing plant in the farming documentary, various specialized machinery systems are used to ensure efficiency and quality. Hair removal machines, which can cost around $100,000 to $250,000, use rotating drums and hot water to remove hair at speeds of up to 2,000 pigs per hour. Pork cutting machines, such as automated carcass splitters and meat saws, can cost anywhere from $200,000 to $1 million, with speeds ranging from 200 to 500 carcasses per hour, depending on the model. While these machines require substantial investment, the efficiency and consistency they provide led to higher production rates, reduced labor costs, and improved product quality, resulting in a significant return on investment. The high-tech computer control and cable systems in a pig processing plant are crucial for optimizing operations. These systems allow for precise control of machinery, ensuring that each stage of the process, such as stunning, cutting, and sorting, occurs at the optimal speed and efficiency. The computer systems monitor and adjust factors like temperature, processing time, and machine performance, which reduces errors and downtime. This automation leads to higher throughput and consistency, improving both the quality and volume of the output. At the end of the processing in this farming documentary, the packaging system takes over, where automated machines weigh, seal, and label products at speeds of up to 200 units per minute. These systems ensure the products are properly packaged for distribution, maintaining hygiene standards and ensuring the product reaches consumers quickly and efficiently. Pork consumption globally is on the rise, with the U.S. alone consuming around 50 pounds per person annually. In 2024, global pork consumption is expected to grow, driven by stronger economic conditions and demand for affordable protein, especially in the face of rising costs for other meats. Restaurant owners have observed this trend, noting that pork's cost-effectiveness and versatility in dishes make it a preferred choice. In fact, pork prices have remained relatively stable compared to beef, making it an attractive option for consumers. For an in-depth look at these trends and insights, check out our farming documentary, which provides a closer look at the dynamics of global pork consumption. Food safety standards for pork production are strictly enforced through systems like the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points (HACP). which ensures the identification and control of potential hazards during processing. These regulations are communicated to both farms and processing plants through the USDA's Food Safety and Inspection Service (FSIS), which performs routine inspections and lab tests. Labs at processing facilities are tasked with testing for pathogens like Salmonella and E. coli, as well as monitoring for chemical residues and antibiotics. This testing helps guarantee compliance with safety standards to protect public health. In our farming documentary, we take you behind the scenes of these safety procedures, offering insight into how these standards are applied. In this farming documentary, farm designs that meet hygiene and safety standards are essential to pig health and productivity. These farms prioritize the well-being of pigs through controlled environments and appropriate layouts, which help to prevent disease and ensure optimal growth. The design includes specialized areas for sows and piglets, with adequate space for movement, rest, and nursing. Typically, a sow will need 35 CQFT, while a finishing pig requires around 16 SQ4. If you still have questions about this agricultural industry, continue watching Trending Farm's farming documentary to find answers.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.